Hi, for Uber?
Hey, man.
Hey, how's it going?
What
Hey, we actually did this new thing. It's Uber dating. So
Yeah, hey.
Hi.
I saw on your profile that you were single. So this is a blind date.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that people actually checked that thing.
Yeah,
When I saw it on the app, I was like, do people even look at this?
Yeah, I'm playing Cupid driver.
Okay.
So
Cool. I actually was just coming from a date, but nice. This is
I
perfect.
actually prepared a meal for you guys.
Oh, bread.
So you guys will share that, and
Thank you. Put this on your
you,
lap.
sir, will give this to her at
Oh.
some point too. So I got you. So
Nice.
let's get started.
Setting me up for
right.
success.
So oh yeah, you can start by smelling her if you want.
Oh, no, I just had to make
Before
sure
we
she smelled
start,
good.
I just want to say, I think it's really not cool that you were in another date and you came to another date.
Well,
It's
I
just like
didn't know
not
that this was
cool.
going to
That
be
says a lot about you. Anyways, you can start with the questions.
Okay, so the first question is for the young lady is, what is your biggest red flag?
I would say like guys that wear shirts that like are very colorful. It's just like, to me, like there's something wrong with you. Like,
Oh,
it gives
but
me,
not like-
a brain like.
But you might like a pink or a blue shirt, right?
Not really. It's just like too much. I like guys that wear like black and white and like beige sometimes.
Okay.
You know, like just very plain, solid colors. It means that there's something right.
All right, so
Yeah,
the
that makes
next
sense.
question is,
Same.
the next question is, do you have any icks with a guy?
Yeah. If they have short hair, it's just like,
Ooh.
it's just not it.
I feel like short hair is kind of nice though, because it's like clean cut and.
For you, maybe. Nah, not for me. It's just
Okay.
I think hair doesn't matter, you know.
And now,
about the
lastly,
Good thing he asked me.
lastly
Anyways.
is, what is your ideal type of guy physically?
Like tall and like darker skin, or you know, longer hair, and just like, really pretty smile. and
Okay.
just like
Yeah.
just a very yummy nose, you know.
Okay,
That's
let's cut off there.
Taste my nose.
Now, are you ready for the grand reveal? You're gonna remove your blindfold on the count of three. On the count of three, and you're gonna stare deep into each other's eyes, and we're gonna see whether or not this is a match
Cool.
made in Uber. 3, 2, 1.
Hey.
Oh my God, I have goosebumps.
Yeah.
Kind of cute.
Thanks. I think you're really pretty too. And just so you know, that date I came from was horrible. I'm never gonna talk to that.
You think
girl.
I'm better?
Way better. I got this for you.
You got this for me from the other day?
No.
Oh!